and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today, it's Angry Birds playtime. Here we are in the Valley of the Angry Birds. What's this? You can see that the evil pigs have set up a brick wall. Do your worst, birds. Not to worry, Red is all set up in his car. Pew! Wow! Pew! And let's set up our other car ready to go. Smash! Let's see the replay. You silly birds, that wasn't enough to topple our wall. Let's send our birds in for an airborne attack. Meow! Pew! Perfect! Now I'm going to show you how to make your very own Play-Doh brick wall. First, take some light brown Play-Doh for the bricks. Take off a piece and squash it into a brick shape. Make sure all the edges are nice and smooth and flat. There's our first brick. Now take some dark brown Play-Doh for some more bricks. Take a piece off and squash into a brick shape. Make sure it's roughly the same size as the other brick. Perfect! Now, place the bricks side by side. Let's make the target. Take some white Play-Doh, roll it out with the rolling pin, and cut out a circle. You can use the Play-Doh pot to do this. Repeat with some more white Play-Doh, roll it out, and cut out a smaller circle. Now roll out some red Play-Doh. Use another pot to cut out a medium-sized circle in red. Then place the circles on top of one another. Put your Captain Pig in the middle. Now let's start to build our wall. Alternate the colours between the light brown bricks and the dark brown bricks. And begin to build your wall. Build your wall nice and high so your birds have more to knock over. Now carefully place the target on the front. Place a final dark brown brick on the top, and then you can place your evil pigs. Red Bird is ready for action. And King Pig is ready for action. They're both ready in their racing cars. Let's get our cars ready to go. Put Red's car into the launcher and move into place. Put King Pig's car into the launcher and then move them both in front of the wall. You can see how the launcher works here. We pull back the lever and off the car goes. Let's see an instant replay. Let's have a look at the other car. Place it in the launcher, pull back the lever, and we're off. Let's look at that again. Let's place both cars in both launchers and see who wins. Ready, steady, go! Now we're ready to launch our cars at the wall. Let's see how many pigs Red can knock down. And go! Wow, he knocked down 2 pigs. Let's see if King Pig can knock down the final pig. Yeah! Oh, you got me! Now we can use the ramp to see how high our cars can go. Let's set up our car at the bottom of the ramp and watch them go. Wow! They're so fast. Let's look at the instant replay. And Red knocks down 2 pigs again. Let's see that again in slow motion. Now let's use our other Angry Birds. You know what to do. We're going to throw them at the wall and knock those pigs down. Bam! And our first bird takes out a pig. And the second bird knocks down another pig. Can our final bird get the last pig? Oh, yes! And the whole wall comes down. Now you can knock down as many bricks as you can. And there you have it. That was our Angry Birds playtime.
Today I'm going to show you how to make some really awesome Play-Doh peacocks. Don't these look cool? So bright and colourful and super pretty. So for this you're going to need Play-Doh in blue, green, black, turquoise, purple, pink, orange, yellow, white, and you're also going to need a rolling pin and a Play-Doh knife. So let's get started. First of all, let's take our turquoise Play-Doh. I'm going to break off a section and mold it in my hands. I'm rolling it into a round shape and then I'm going to press it flat. It's kind of like a cookie. I'm using my rolling pin to make it a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to start to shape it a bit more. Perfect. Set that aside and now take some yellow Play-Doh. I want to make a dot. Now take some blue Play-Doh, make another dot and put it on top of your yellow dot. Now repeat the process with orange. I'm now putting all of that onto a bigger blue dot. This is how we decorate and create a peacock feather. It's such a distinctive pattern, so you want to make sure you keep experimenting and get the right colours. Perfect! This is starting to look great! Keep going! Now it's time for orange. Now I'm repeating the process on the next row, but with yellow. And the next row with orange. And then more yellow at the bottom. Finally, I'm finishing off with orange. And now I'm taking my rolling pin and rolling the pattern into the turquoise base. Once that's done, set that aside and take some more blue Play-Doh. We're going to make the body of our peacock now. So roll it into a teardrop shape, like so, and then bend the neck over, just like I'm doing. And once you're happy with the shape of the body, we're going to use our Play-Doh knife to create a pattern. This is going to look like feathers. It's just a zigzag. So do the zigzag from the bottom up to the neck. Perfect. Now let's sit our peacock's body on top of his amazing feathers. It's looking great. We have to make his head now, so grab some blue Play-Doh and add 2 white dots for eyes. Take a tiny bit of black to create the pupil. Of course, we need a beak. So make an orange triangle and stick it on. Now we want some more feather detail for behind the head. So make a round blue shape and add 3 spots of orange at the top. Stick that behind the peacock's head, like this. And now let's sit our peacock on his feathers, because it's time to make some feet. We're going to do this out of orange Play-Doh. Start by making a V shape. And then using your Play-Doh knife, cut the webs into the orange. And there you have it. It's assembled. Isn't he great? So that's one peacock done. Let's make the other one. We're going to do exactly the same process, but we're going to use purple as a base instead. Once you're happy with your purple circular base, it's time to decorate. I'm using yellow to start off with. It really pops against the purple. Remember, it's exactly the same process. I'm following yellow with a turquoise blue, then some pink. Now I'm doing the next row. It's orange with some green dots. Don't they look amazing? Now I'm using blue as a base. How fantastic! This looks so incredible. Remember, you can use whatever different colors you like. Why don't you experiment? I'm even putting some pink on the purple. This gives it a little bit of extra pizzazz. I'm so happy with how this looks. Once you're finished, roll it flat. This blends all the colors together and makes it look like real peacock feathers. Now we've done the main part of the feathers, it's time to make the body, and I'm doing this peacock out of a turquoise blue. It's the same shape, so once you're happy, set it aside. I'm adding my beak straight to this peacock. It doesn't have a separate head. It's going to give it a slightly different profile. I'm also using a different colour Play-Doh for the feathers behind the peacock's head. I'm using bright green instead of the turquoise. Again, this is just to make it pop. You can get creative. Now's the time to do it. Don't forget to add some eyes so your peacock can see. Now let's make some feet for our peacock. Otherwise, he won't be able to stand. Once the body's done, let's add it to the feathers. There you have it. Slightly different, but equally as pretty. Perfect Play-Doh peacocks. Aren't they cool? So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you check out all of our other videos. And don't forget to come back and visit us again soon. We'll see you next time. Bye!